Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, everyone present here. Today, I stand before you to speak about my journey at the Skill Motive Institute and across the Skill Motive Institute 2025. At the beginning, tick tock, tick tock, the clock is always moving. Are you moving with it or just watching? If some people say, I will try tomorrow, I will try tomorrow, especially the competitors can do it, but sometimes tomorrow will never come. Your time is not unlimited. Every minute is a part of your life. So if you keep waiting, your dream will disappear. This speech is not just about a motivation, it's also about warning call. Your time is now. You don't choose the day you are born. You don't choose the day you are die, but you do choose how you use the time in between it. That time, your time, that is your real life. So my realization, ಜೀವನಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ತುಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ. So my realization, time is a life. Time is not just something on the clock. It's not just morning, afternoon or evening. Time is your chance. Time is your breath. So every second our life is moving forward. You cannot stop it. You cannot save it for later and you cannot buy more. Once it's gone forever. So let's make it simple. When you waste 1 hour, you are wasting 1 hour of your life. So when you spend 10 minutes unnecessary complaining, you are losing 10 minutes of your future. Even if you utilize 1 minute for something learning new, you are building your future. So maybe you think you may have to busy. Maybe you say you don't have to time to learn anything, but you have to time when you stop to scrolling. You have to time when you interacting with others. So it's the value of the time. My realization on 2025. So when I joined here, I had a fear and I could not speak confidently in front of the people. But day by day, with practice and guidance, I started to learning and I started to improving. So during 3-month journey, I got the opportunities to learn many things. We did group discussion, presentation, personality development, public speaking and even confidence building activities. So each activities helped me come out from my comfort zone. So when you feel stuck, you don't stop it. Keep learning, keep moving, keep speaking. Even if you fall down, stand up again. Even if you are tired, take a long breath and then continue. Because of every seconds, every minute, our life is keep moving forward to us. Every failures are not the end. These are the opportunities to improving ourselves. Even if you are learn from your failures, then others learn from your success. So these all about my journey. As I come to end of my presentation, I would like to thank to our trainer and audience who's being attention and their beautiful souls, because a speaker doesn't come without such an amazing audience you have. And thank you so much, one and all.
Wow! Give a huge round of applause for her. Thank you so much, dear speaker. This time you performed well, and once I remember your words, she came to me and she told me that, sir, I want to speak confidently on the stage few months back, but this time by the end of 2025, you have done it. Thank you so much. This is what dedication looks like. This is what determination looks like. Really, hats off to you. I really remember she directly came to my cabin and she told me that, sir, I want to. She showed me one video. I don't remember the video. She just opened her phone and she showed me one video. So I want to speak like it. I remember. Then I told, you can speak. What's the big deal? Who is stopping you? Then she said, that's I don't have confidence. She built her confidence now. See, amazing thing happened in 2025 for her. So more beautiful things are going to take place in your life if you continue your dedication and discipline. Thank you so much, Miss Sagu, for taking this opportunity and utilizing for sharing your journey. Thank you so much for making us aware the every second of life. Thank you.